So, I think most of you here can agree that fiber-based packaging is a part of a sustainable future. But as a material, there's one big drawback, and that's the lack of barrier properties. If you think about your conventional packaging for food or your to-go coffee cup made of paper, it needs extra coatings and binders to keep the liquid inside. Otherwise, it could easily seep through the fibers. The problem here is that most coatings contain plastics. And we don't want plastic near our food, and companies should be motivated to try to follow customer demands on more sustainable packaging and also EU regulations on reducing single-use plastics. That's why in our research group at Åbo Academy University, we are working together with industrial partners to create sustainable binders and coatings. So, we wanted to create a completely bio-based dispersion coating, and for this we needed a bio-based surfactant, and this is where my research now comes to play. So, I started with hemicelluloses, specifically galactoglucomanons, or GGMs for short. These are found in softwoods, and therefore also in mechanical pulping wastewaters. And these GGMs are already somewhat amphiphilic, but we wanted to increase this surface activity. And this can be achieved by grafting on naturally occurring fatty acids onto the hemicellulose chain, creating a bio-based surfactant. And this can now be tailored specifically for the end-use application by playing around with parameters such as the fatty acid chain length or the degree of substitution, which all results in different characteristics for the surfactant. So, if you look on the picture to the top, we have now been trying to utilize another undervalued component called suberin. Suberin is a bark extract, which is really hydrophobic. And you can't try to disperse it in water using a native hemicellulose. It's too hydrophobic. However, if we use our functionalized hemicellulose as a stabilizer, we can get a smooth coating formulation that can be used to increase barrier properties for fiber-based packaging. And this really demonstrates that we can and should use sustainable and side streams that would otherwise be undervalued to create for a more sufficient and sustainable future. Thank you.